Let's learn English through short and fun cooking conversations with vocabulary and listening questions. Let's get started. 1. Baking cookies.
Okay, baby, today we're making cookies. What kind do you want?
I want to make a big fluffy cake, like the ones at the bakery.
Oh, honey, we're not making a cake today. Let's stick with cookies, okay?
Why not? Cake is so much fun to make.
I know, but Mommy does not know how to make cakes. Oh, if we make cookies, we can decorate them with cute shapes.
Shapes? What shapes?
How about cookies shaped like little animals? We can make bears and bunnies.
Oh my gosh, that sounds so cute. Okay, I'll do that. Can I make a giraffe too?
Haha, well, I think a giraffe might be a bit tricky. How about a cat?
Ugh, I don't like cats. I want a giraffe.
Oh no, you're getting tricky now. Baby, alright, I'll help you with the giraffe. I hope I can.
Yay! I love you, Mom. I will make my giraffe cookie.
Okay. Let's start with the dough. Oh no, where's the flour?
I knew it. You always forget something, Mom.
Oh, stop it. I was just checking if you were paying attention.
Ha. Sure, Mom. You just wanted me to find the flour, huh?
Exactly. Now, let's roll the dough and make our animal friends.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Baking. The process of cooking food, especially bread, cakes, and cookies, in an oven. Cookie. A small sweet baked good, often round and flat. Flour. A powdery substance made from grains, used in baking. Your listening question is: what shape does the daughter want to make for her cookie? Answer: she wants to make a giraffe. 2. Cream or mousse cake.
It's strange to have you in the kitchen making cakes.
Anyway, let's get into it. Today I'm planning to make a choco cake.
I just want to help my dear sister.
But I'm thinking of making a mousse cake instead of a regular cake.
Mousse, but I was planning on making a chocolate cake. It's so delicious.
Yeah, but I want to make mousse, for my friend's birthday.
Oh my, are you going to give it to that girl you like?
Oh, come on, don't tease me. Yes, I want to make it special for her.
Ah, how sweet. All right, I'll help you make it then.
Really? You'll help me? You're the best.
Of course, I'll help. I want to make sure that cute girl gets the thing she wants.
Haha, deal. I'm sure she'll love it.
Well, it better be perfect. You can't mess up a mousse.
Don't worry, I'm a pro now. I watched a video online.
Oh, I see. A pro from YouTube. Let's hope it doesn't turn into a disaster.
Oh no, no disasters. This mousse will be amazing.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Mousse. A soft, creamy dessert made from chocolate, cream, or fruit. Tease. To make fun of someone in a playful or joking way. Disaster. A very bad situation or mistake. Your listening question is: why does the brother want to make mousse instead of a chocolate cake? Answer: he wants to give it to the girl he likes for her birthday. 3. Dinner for the family.
Honey, what do you think we should make for dinner tonight?
I'm thinking of making roasted chicken. It's my favorite.
Roasted chicken, oh. I was thinking of making a nice vegetable soup. It's healthy and light.
Healthy soup. Come on, we need something with more flavor. Roasted chicken is always a winner.
But I want to stay in shape. Summer is coming and I need my summer body.
Okay. How about this? I'll make dinner tonight and you can relax. Relaxing is also very good for your body.
Oh, really? You'll do everything like cook, clean, and serve me dinner?
Yes, I promise. I'll be the chef tonight. You just sit back and enjoy.
Sounds too good to be true. Okay, deal.
Deal. I'll make the best roasted chicken ever. Just wait and see.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Roasted chicken. Chicken that is cooked in the oven with seasonings, usually with crispy skin. Vegetable soup. A soup made with various vegetables, usually light and healthy. Chef. A professional cook, especially the main cook in a restaurant or kitchen. Your listening question is: what does the wife want to make for dinner? Answer: she wants to make vegetable soup. 4. Healthy pizza.
Babe, let's make pizza tonight. I want a pizza with lots of cheese and meat.
I was thinking of a veggie pizza. You know, something healthier.
Veggies? Come on, since when did you get so strict? It's not pizza without sausage and bacon.
Trust me, babe, a veggie pizza is so much better for you. Plus, it's good for the body.
Oh my, really? Are you sure you can eat a pizza with just veggies?
Yes, it's delicious, and I feel great after eating it.
Okay, we'll see if you can actually eat it. I'll try to make it tasty, but no promises.
Haha, don't worry, I'll love it. We can add mushrooms, peppers, onions, all the good stuff.
I guess I can try, but if you're going to eat pizza without meat, you're on your own.
Deal! I will order some tasty stuffs just for you.
Roasted chickens with fries?
Roasted chickens with extra fries. Ordered. Already on its way.
You are really determined to stay healthy, huh? Alright, let me help you with the green pizza.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Pizza. A popular dish made with dough, cheese, and various toppings like vegetables, meat, and sauce. Veggie pizza. Pizza made with vegetables like mushrooms, peppers, onions, and more, without meat. Tasty. Food that has a delicious flavor. Your listening question is: what does the girlfriend want to put on the pizza? Answer: she wants to put lots of cheese, meat, bacon, and sausage on the pizza. 5. As long as the kid likes.
Hey buddy, what do you want for dinner tonight?
I want noodles. Noodles are yummy.
Noodles again? I was thinking of making some rice and soup. It's warm and healthy.
But I want noodles. Daddy, noodles with sauce and eggs.
Okay. We can make noodles, but you have to eat all your veggies. Alright?
No veggies. Only noodles.
Oh, no, you can't eat noodles without veggies, buddy. It's not good for you.
Okay, I eat veggies if we make noodles with egg.
Haha, deal. We'll make noodle stir-fry with egg and a little bit of veggies, but you have to eat them all.
Yay! I'm going to eat all my noodles and veggies.
That's my boy. Let's cook together. You help me stir the noodles, okay?
Yes, Daddy, I'm a good helper.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Noodles. A long, thin type of pasta, usually cooked in soup or stir-fried. Stir-fry. To cook food quickly in a pan with a small amount of oil. Veggies. Short for vegetables, often used in cooking. Your listening question is: what does the dad want to make for dinner? Answer: he wants to make rice and soup. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.